mag-proceed tayo sa next row is mag-increment tayo ng I. And the next value of I is 2. So 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. Then let me finish this, then I'll show you why I'm doing this. Then 5 for the third row, 5 minus, we just add 2 plus 1, so 3 is equal to 2. Then next, and also the condition is j should be less than or equal to n. So this is the value of j. Yeah. And the value of n is 5 and minus n is 8. So j, this is the condition. Kung hanggat namimit pa natin or pasok pa rin siya or lumalabas na true pa rin siya, n which is 5. Here, 5. So hanggat pasok pa rin siya dito sa condition, hindi tayo mag-stop na mag-increment. So next is 5 minus 4 equals to, answer is 1. Tama ba? Am I doing it right? 5. Tama ba? N is 5. So, yun. Mag-stop na tayo dyan. Since 5 minus 5. Pero true pa rin naman siya. This is true pa rin naman. Kaso, 0. Kaso, 1, 2, 3, 4. Mag-stop na tayo dito since we only have 5 rows and 5 columns. I think so. Then, since tapos na tayo dyan, oh shoot. No. Nagkamali po ako. Ay, hindi. Tama. N minus 1. We stop here kasi then doon na po tayo. Papasok na po tayo sa, since tapos na po itong condition na to at hanggang 5 rows lang po tayo. Kasi yung N natin is for 5 rows lang. For 5 rows lang talaga siya. 5 rows, 5 columns lang. So, tapos na yan. Doon na tayo sa second inner loop. So, yung sa second inner for loop po, ang condition niya is j is greater than, j is less than or equal to, yan. So, ang formula niya is, ito na po siya. So, yung second inner for loop naman po ay, siya po yung nagdi-display or nag-output or nag-print ng star or ng asterisk natin. So, gamitin lang po natin. J is equal to 1. So, mag-start tayo sa 1. Right? J is equal to 1. So, no. We use this po na formula. 2 times I minus 1. 2